In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your button layout and remap any button here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But from the home screen of Battlefield 6, go ahead and press R1 to go over to your settings, and you can either choose from here to remap for either controller or keyboard and mouse. For example, in keyboard and mouse, go to the mouse and keyboard section right here, and then go specifically into the infantry or vehicle settings by selecting this infantry passenger keybinds or vehicle / passenger keybinds. Select this and you'll be able to adjust those settings right here. On a controller though, go to, you guessed it, the controller settings on this left hand side, select edit settings, and from here you can go specifically into your infantry settings, adjust those just like so. Your infantry buttons, which you can adjust as well. Or if you want to specifically map specific things, go into the control mapping option and you can adjust whatever you would like. But that really is it. Remap everything the way that you would like for on-foot infantry controls or your custom gameplay style. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.